All right, first things first, we gotta get rid of these hazy headlights. Daytime running lights are pretty bad as well. So to do that, we're gonna try this Amazon kit. This is the Cerakote or Cerakote ceramic headlight restoration kit. So right off the bat, I'm not sponsored by these guys. I just it was a good price. It would be an easy fix, and readily available, and had really good reviews. So we're gonna try it. First thing we gotta do is tape up the paint. Okay, pardon the mess, but I opened up the kit, and it seems pretty simple. So it comes with a oxidation remover. But yeah, just apply this, and this will remove the oxidation. Then we go over to sanding. So it comes with a 2000 grit and then 3000 grit. So work your way up, and then finally, where's the rest of the kit? Here we go. Here it is. And then just apply the ceramic clear coating. So yeah, pretty easy. This comes with gloves, which I already put on. These are nice. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. That's pretty incredible. Just don't mention anything about having to wipe it off, but I'm going to anyway. So that's one headlight. That's looking pretty good. That's the other. Yeah, no, did a pretty good job for just the first step. That being said, I think we can do better. And that's with a 2000 grit. Okay, now let's move to the 3000 grit. Looking pretty good. Still hazy. Grab one of these working lights, but it's still very much hazy at this step. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do the 3000 grit one more time. After that, I'm gonna apply polish, like just regular car polish. After that, I'll do the sealant and go from there. See how that turns out. All right, applied the third coat, or the third pass of the 3000 grit. Now, just put on some polish, splat it all over. Go ahead and polish this up. Okay, the polish worked really well. I am very pleased. So I'm glad I did that, even though the steps didn't specify that we needed to. But yeah, I think I'll do one more pass before I seal them, just because I just want to play it safe. But yeah, look at that difference. All right, did one more pass with the polish, and that's looking pretty dang good. I think we're ready for sealant. Wow, that looks so good. So check out this other headlight that I haven't done yet. Look at that. And look at that. Oh my God, that looks so good. I am so happy with the results. So yeah, definitely recommend polishing after going with a 3000 grit sandpaper. Otherwise, this definitely recommend just add that polish step. And Cerakote, if you're listening, just add a polisher. It worked really well. All right. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other side, do the daytimes as well. Stay tuned for more.